What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Last time out with my Traxxas Slash, I broke my rear differential yoke, as you can see here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy change. New yokes, fresh from Amazon, part number 6828X. Alright, to get this broken old yoke out, there's a small screw that might be hard to see that you have to take out. And this should just slide right out. If you take a look at it, it's definitely broken. Now let's compare the broke yoke to the new yoke. Next part is probably the hardest part. You take the yoke and the little pronged ball attached to the drive shaft and insert. I had to do this on a couple of my Schumacher builds, and this is probably my least favorite part of the build. The trick to getting these in is to get one side started and get it seated in as far as you can. And then you just gotta muscle it on. The trick is to get this started on one side and then to just muscle it in. So now we've got the new yoke. We'll put it into the drive shaft. I'm sorry, we've got the yoke and the drive shaft connected. And we'll just reinsert. Take the small screw, reinsert that. There you have it. Good as new. Let me know if you know of an easier way of attaching those yokes to the drive shaft. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.